Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 3rd, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Saturday out there so far. Everybody has a great Saturday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast from Sunday and Monday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Sunday as we got some severe weather to talk about across Central and South Florida. And also, we're going to take a look at the GFS snowfall totals over the next 16 days. So stick around to the entire video. Do not miss a beat of this forecast. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Also, like these videos, share these videos on social media. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road there, folks. But I'm sorry about no forecast last night. My computer crashed on me last night, but I got it back up and running again. So hopefully we'll be able to continue my forecast on down the road. Alright, well, as you can see here, we got some showers and thunderstorms down there across the southeastern United States, across the Carolinas, Georgia, much of Florida. Have some severe weather down there across South Florida, including the Florida Keys. Also, we have some shower activity stemming from Alabama through Tennessee, all the way back up to South and North South Dakota, back in the portion of Montana. Also through Nebraska, Kansas, and also in Arkansas. Some thunderstorms and showers over Oklahoma. We have some mixed precipitation up here in portions of southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, through much of Wyoming, and also into Montana. Also, we have some snow up here in areas of Montana through Washington, Oregon State, portion of California, Nevada as well, and also into Utah, also in the Wyoming region as well. Alright, more mixed up here in Washington, Oregon State, over to Idaho, down into Nevada, also in the California region as well. Alright, we got some showers up here in portion of Washington, Oregon State, coastal areas. Red slashed area here along California coast, down towards Southern California. Some heavy rain and flash flooding possible. Also, we have some heavy snow also possible in portion of the mountain of California up to a portion of Nevada and northern areas of California as well. We have some shower activity over central and southern California also. Alright, otherwise, dry high pressure is in charge of area weather from much of Canada through the Dakotas, portions of the southeast, mid-Atlantic, also up toward the northeast, toward New Brunswick, also Newfoundland, also across Texas, back in the portion of Utah and Colorado, also in Arizona, Gulf of California, much of Mexico as well, including the Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, and the Bahamas as well. All of this activity is for your Sunday, February. Alright, you can see here the Carolinas, coastal waters, through Georgia and Alabama, thunderstorms and showers over southern Alabama to Panhandle, Florida, also through southern Georgia, through much of Florida, down toward the Florida Key, California, over northern California. Otherwise, dry high pressure is in charge of areas weather through the Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, the Bahamas, through much of Canada region as well, and also through Montana and also through the plains as well. All of this activity is for your Monday, February the field. Plains as well, and also into the Ohio and Tennessee River valleys. We got a video portion of Texas, back in the portion of the upper Midwest, and also into portion of Washington. Okay, hopefully it'll be coming up here in a minute. Here we go. All right, you can. We still got the river flood warnings up here in wind advisories down there in portions of. All right, we got some hydro issues over Montana. We have some areas of winter weather advisories up here in Portland. Also in the Idaho, storm warnings stretching from northern New Mexico. Winter weather advisories also in portion of Oregon, Texas, all the way into areas of Florida, Florida Keys, all the way up to the North Carolina coast. Same up here. We got small craft advisories also around in effect. Storm warnings around the island chain here of Hawaii. Also some flood watches there. High surf advisories also in effect for that region also. We have blizzard warning to the north, blizzard warning to the southwest in Alaska, winter storm warning central, wind chill warnings also in effect central Alaska. Also we have some small craft advisories, warnings around coastal area. Alright, you can see here we got a marginal rift and a general thunderstorm over here in California. Some marginal rift also in much of Florida as well. Down toward the Florida, northern South Carolina through Georgia, Panhandle, Florida, southern Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and East Texas. In St. Jose, California, Jacksonville, Tampa, St. Petersburg region, marginal risk for severe weather on Saturday. Let's take a look at the tornado probability for these two locations. Okay, still showing a marginal. There we go. It finally came up. All right, we got 2% over here in portion of California. Also over here in much of Florida. If you live in Miami, Haley, Fort Lauderdale, Pembroke Pines, and Hollywood, Florida, 5% risk for a tornado in your vicinity. On the region and Salinas, California. Let's take a look at the damaging winds. All right, damaging winds 5%. If you live in St. Jose, California, including Jacksonville, Miami, Tampa, St. Petersburg, Florida region, 5% risk for damaging winds. Let's take a look at the hail probability for these two locations. Okay, still 5%. Over here in California, northern Florida. All right, this includes Jacksonville, Tampa, St. Petersburg, Orlando, and Gainesville, Florida region. 5% risk for large hail in your vicinity. All right, and finally, we're going to wrap it up with the GFS model. The Snowfall. Okay, here it is. The heaviest snow toward Newfoundland and also New Brunswick, also in the southeast Canada, over southern Canada, also over portions of the Great Lakes. Heavier snow also out west over the Sierra and Rocky Mountain region in the west and northwestern United States, a little bit over southwestern Canada as well. Lighter amount pretty much over the Tennessee, eastern Alabama. I think the snow potential has dwindled for our region, so I do not think we will see any snowfall for the remainder of the winter because it's getting close to springtime, and usually the best chance of snow, the last snow we usually get, if we get a good snow, usually maybe around the 1st of March. If we don't get none between now and the 1st of March, that's it. You can wrap up the snowfall. This is going to be another snow drought year, so we're not going to see any snow again this year. So sorry for you, anybody like me. I wanted to see some snow this winter, but look like not going to occur. So, but anything's still possible. But right now, the way I see over the next 16 days, not looking too promising. And according to the outlooks for the remainder of the month, it looks pretty average on temperature wise. May outlook, and also maybe the 3 to 4 month. So stick around for the remainder of my forecast. For seeing them forecasts come into the forecast cycle. All right. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Everybody continue to stay safe as well. So enjoy the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribe if you have not, and we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful